Lucidchart Review. In this video, we'll be reviewing Lucidchart, one of the most popular cloud-based diagramming and visualization tools designed for teams and individuals. If you're looking for an intuitive way to create flowcharts, wireframes, org charts, network diagrams, and process maps, Lucidchart offers a powerful solution. Links to the product are included in the description below. Lucidchart is a web-based diagramming platform that allows users to visually represent ideas, workflows, and complex systems. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy to create and customize diagrams without any design or technical skills. The tool provides a wide variety of templates and shapes, catering to industries like engineering, software development, project management, and business process modeling. One of Lucidchart's strongest features is its real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on a diagram simultaneously, making it an excellent tool for remote teams and cross-functional collaboration. You can leave comments, tag team members, and use version history to track changes over time. The platform also integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Office, Slack, Atlassian, Jira, Confluence, and even GitHub, enabling smooth workflow integration. Lucidchart's automation features also set it apart. With data linking, users can connect their diagrams to external datasets, such as Google Sheets or CSV files, allowing for dynamic updates and real-time insights. This is especially useful for creating organizational charts and process workflows that need to reflect live data. Additionally, the conditional formatting feature lets users apply rules to highlight critical data points. The platform is accessible on desktop via web browser and mobile, iOS and Android, ensuring flexibility for users on the go. Security is also a priority, with Lucidchart offering enterprise-grade security, SSO, and compliance certifications for business users. However, there are some downsides. While Lucidchart offers a free plan, it has significant limitations, such as a restricted number of editable documents and shapes. Advanced features, including data linking and premium templates, require a paid subscription, which might not be cost-effective for individuals or small teams. Additionally, compared to Visio, Lucidchart is still missing some advanced engineering and technical diagramming features. Overall, Lucidchart is a fantastic tool for professionals, teams, and businesses that need a user-friendly yet powerful diagramming solution. It's particularly useful for project managers, engineers, business analysts, and IT professionals. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, cloud-based alternative to Visio, Lucidchart is an excellent choice. Check the links in the description to try Lucidchart today and enhance your visual collaboration.